So this is 12 days old. Jeremiah getting his first chiropractic adjustment. So far he's doing good. He had a problem here and he's got a problem in his neck we're going to need to fix. Good way to start him off. Okay, yeah, let's turn him over on his back. Just like that. Okay. Yeah, just going to check the movement now after we did the adjustment with the instrument. Yeah, you're right. See how he's not comfortable going that way.
Mm-hmm.
Is he nursing a lot better on one side than the other? Pretty good on both sides? Okay, good. Light pressure like this, that's all it takes to adjust the little baby. And we use the instrument already. We've got better movement here. Important thing is that he's got symmetry. He's able to turn equally both ways. And he's got normal tone. Muscle tone indicates nerve tone. So if the nerves are working well on both sides, it'll be pretty symmetrical. That's a chiropractic adjustment.